Hi, welcome to my channel. It is Dizzy Slate MUA. Today's video, I actually wanted to get into the Warrior 3 palette by JUVIA'S and give you an actual step-by-step tutorial with this one, not just a little swatching comparison type thing. We're gonna do some cut creases. We're gonna do a little glitter liner thing. I'm playing around with these P. Louise basic. Oh shit. I'm using those things. Cut creases you've seen before, and also Morphe came out with a new eyebrow pencil. I'm feeling myself. So anyway, stay tuned. Let's get right into this palette. Alright, so I'm going to start off using the JUVIA'S Gobi setting powder, and I'm going to set my eyebrows. I know I look a little crazy, but this helps keep my brows on all day. It helps so my brows don't look sweaty. And I'm using the Morphe pencil. This is in the shade Chocolate Mousse. So if you guys have watched any of my eyebrow tutorials, you know I like to outline the shape of my brow first. Just like I'm doing here, I start at the bottom, then I go and do the top. My brow is so weirdly shaped at the top. I can never, like, it takes me a bunch of tries to get that curve right. So after I outline it, then I shade it in, but I'm going in the same direction as my hair when I shade it in. And you see that top line I didn't take all the way to the front because now I'm doing strokes that go upward. So this is a little mini brow tutorial for y'all too, okay? Now when my brow is all done the way I like it, ooh, you seen that, I take the spoolie end and just brush that front out to blend it better. Now the concealer I'm using to go under my brow is actually the J12 JUVIA'S concealer mixed with the I Am Magic foundation in the shade Kenya, because I am the shade Kenya for my foundation and I like to keep under my brow as close to my skin tone as possible. So now when I blend out my brow, it's not looking so white, so ashy, so bam, but my brows still look freshly done here. Damn, sis, you got brows and shit showing off. So now I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going over the top of my brow with the I Am Magic foundation. This is my actual foundation shade. That way your brows look nicely arched and it blends in when you finish your face. Here I'm using the Moira Mega Concealer. I love to use this to base my eyelids. This is in the shade Latte number 2. So I put it right on my lid and then I blend it out. This concealer just dries so fast, it's full coverage, and my foundation just sticks perfectly to it, but still blends out. Like, it is my favorite, I guess you could say, eyeshadow base to use. It's everything for me. Keep blending, just keep blending, blending, blending. Yay, now it's time for the Warrior 3 palette. I'm going to be using the shades Mzinga, Candice, Fanti, and Gola. So I'm starting off with my Candice shade. And I'm packing it on right into my crease area. And as you see, I'm only taking it to a little bit over halfway. Just keep putting it on. This pigment is so lit. Now in the front, I'm using the Gola, the blue. And it's fine to get the blue to go over top of the purple a little bit. Over top of Candice, because we're going to end up blending that. See? Look at that. Look at that. This is a little fluffy blending brush. Don't look at the handle. We've been through a lot. Alright, now over top of Candice, I'm going in with Fanti. So that purple is going to be blended out with a pink. You see how it's looking real unicornish? Alright, after everything is blended, I'm taking our Moira concealer and I'm cutting our crease. I do have another video of where I show you how to like really in detail cut a crease, but here's something short and sweet. All right, after our crease is cut, we are going to just pat that concealer down so it dries. All right, now we are bringing Candice down more on our eyelid from that corner, and we're gonna angle it down. Sorry if I keep looking away. Me, myself, and Irene was on, and that shit is freaking hilarious. Now with our fluffy brush from before, blend Candice out because we're about to put another color on top of her. Now we want to pack Fenty right there in like the center of our eyelid. We're gonna make sure it overlaps Candice a little bit, but we're not gonna take it all the way to the front of our eye. Again, pull out that blending brush. Blend that shit. Blend that shit. Hey, get it. Now we are taking this beautiful yellow Nzinga, and that is going to be the front of our unicorn. Oh my god, this really looks like my pop socket. I'm in love, and I'm not just saying it because it's me. Like, I just love these colors together. Yes, P. Louise bases come through. The first one we are going to use is our Touch of Frost, and I take an eyeliner brush. It's actually NYX, and I clean it off and I dip it into the base, and that is how I'm doing this line, because that brush is so thin it gets my line perfect. And using the same brush, I'm now going in with Vivid Violet, and I'm gonna act like I'm about to do a wing liner and then just stop it just about like at the end of my eyelid. I'm gonna stop it. Unicorn realness. This reminds me of like cotton candy. And we don't have to fill this in because we're going to add something special. This glitter I got from Divine Beauty Cosmetics off of Instagram, and I'm putting it on with my Duo. You know, Duo makes it last, it's clear, it dries clear, it keeps my glitter super shiny, unlike, you know, like glitter primers. So I'm filling in where I didn't fill in the P. Louise base, and that's where I'm gonna add the glitter. Pretty, look. This had like pinks, blues, purples, and even some green. I didn't know that there was green in it until like I actually dipped my brush in it, and I was like, well, no going back now. But it works. Like, look at that. This glitter was everything. So again, this is called Unicorn Party, and it's by Divine Beauty Cosmetics off of Instagram. Hit them up, please. Look at this shit. Yes. Right, I'm using my favorite eyeliner. This is by Kiss Products, Intensifying Black, and I am going on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking a tiny eyeshadow brush. Don't ask me what it's called, I don't know. And I am buffing out that eyeliner with Candice. Take it to about the halfway part of your eye. Using that same brush, we're going in the front of our eye with the shade Gola. And like I said, it's fine for that blue to touch that purple and make magic. Now on the outside of Candice, we're going back in with Fenty to blend that out. And just to make sure the top and bottom of our eyes connect, and it looks like one, it doesn't look disconnected. Alright, I'm going in with my Milk Grip Primer, putting it all over my face. And then, you know, in my T-zone, I like to do my mixture that I mix up with my Milk of Magnesia, just because I'm super oily and this helps my face stay popping. Alright, after I'm done with my Beyonce fan, I'm going in with my JUVIA'S shade stick in the shade Addis Ababa. And I'm using this to conceal before I put on my foundation. I like the shade. It's not too far from my actual foundation color. Well, okay. It don't look crazy after I put my face on. It is not close to my color, but it's not super light where I would notice it. So I'm buffing that out with this nice fluffy Real Techniques brush. Now I'm going in with my I Am Magic foundation in the shade Kenya. And y'all already know a little bit goes a long way. I've showed this in a video before. So I'm doing just a couple marks all over my face and I'm going to blend that out. Yes, baby, please don't forget to take it down to the neck. There we go. Hit that neck, hit that neck. Oh, yes. And see, it blends in perfectly with my neck too. I love it. I love this foundation. The color is just on point. And now I'm hitting up my newly remastered forehead. Shout outs to the wigs. Now I'm using the J12 Concealer by JUVIA'S. And I'm going to make my tribal marks, like always, under my eye. Hit the stash up right quick. My little chinny chin chin. Come on, sis, bring it down the nose. There we go. Gotta do the nose. And God's forehead. Yep, there it is. And because I've already done a video showing my foundation routine, that's why this is kind of, you know, just like run through. So now I'm doing my highlighting, using a little bluffing brush. You guys have seen this if you watch any of my previous videos, but here you go again, just sped up. Now I'm using the shade stick Katsina, and I'm going to use this to contour. So I'm gonna take it down my cheek, you know, I make the Y, and I'm actually gonna do my forehead for you guys. Y'all know I never contour my forehead, but I'm like, why not? Let me try something new. I might like it. And I'm going in with the same brush that I used to put my foundation on, just so that it blends out a little better because it'll still have some foundation on it. Okay, again with our JUVIA'S setting powder in Gobi, I found the best way for me to use the setting powder is actually pressing it into my skin, not really baking with it. I find that I like the way it works for me and my skin better if I actually press it in. And you see, yes, I'm doing it all over. Same on my chin, same on my nose. Y'all know damn well I ain't gonna forget that forehead. But I love this shade too. This color is just so like earthy, if that makes sense. I don't know, it reminds me of beautiful dark sand. Not dirt. Now any excess, even though I shouldn't have that much because I pressed it in, I'm gonna brush away. Now I'm going to go in with another setting powder and I'm going to bake this one. I don't know why I'm double baking. Why not? Sometimes when you come out the oven, you gotta flip that shit and put it back in. So this is my AC Cosmetics Butternut Beige setting powder, and I'm going right over top of it, just a little something, a little something light, okay? And I'm just gonna bake a little bit. It's not gonna be long, like 30 minutes on 350 in the oven, okay? You know, I might even broil it for a little something. And that is excess I'm wiping away. Now we're just going back in with Fenty and adding some of the pink color that we may have lost in our baking process. Ooh, blush. I'm actually using Fenty as my blush. Like, I didn't want it too pink, so I just did, you know, like, I tapped it lightly into the shade and then I put it on lightly. I just wanted a soft little blushy color, okay? Now my new favorite highlighter is definitely Nefertiti, because look at it. Oh my God, JUVIA'S, what were you thinking about? You know what? You were thinking about me. Look, you gotta smile, that way you know you're hitting it right. Bam, bam. You can see the highlight from the front. Eek! Ugly faces too, yes. Little dot here, little line here, a little shine on your lip. And then we just gonna blend that out with a brush as well. Now here's the part where you just look at yourself and admire the work. And it's not even done, but I just love it. Yes, camera, eat it the fuck up. Y'all know I'm putting my lashes on off camera. I'll be back. Alright, these lashes are by Latte, and they are in the style Bubbles. Super light, super fluffy, and it didn't overpower this look, and I'm so grateful for that. Alright, so this is our final look. How are you feeling it? Everything put together. What do you think about the lip? I'm trying to go a little bit darker because the season's changing, but y'all know I love nudes. So I just did like a darker brown liner. But then I did like a this color. Look at this. It says rose petal. So I did a dark brown liner, then I did a rose petal liner, like kind of like blended it out, and then I went in the middle with the Disney ColourPop Bobby. Right, it toned it down a little bit. I'm trying to look kind of shine, something a little different, because I know I tried red lips, it don't work for me. I tried dark lips, it don't work for me. I'm a gloss nude type shit. But I just felt like it was time that I did an actual tutorial with my Warrior 3 palette. As much as I use it, and the other video that I had, I realized that was just swatches. I didn't let you guys see the magic of the Warrior. I'm so excited. And then I like that y'all keep seeing my glow. I keep seeing this little highlight, bam, bam. Let me stop because I'm old and I'm gonna feel that shit in the morning. Let me get a little close up so you can see this eye detail. Ooh, chi wale wale, chi bang bang, chi wale wale, chi do what bang bang. My dog's such a hater. Anyway, I hope this video. Hear her hating ass go. I hope this video would get off my paper towels. Damn, can I talk? Go lay down, cause now I'm mad. Mommy is not happy with you. I hope that this video was helpful. I hope that it was easy for you to follow. If there's something that you guys think that I should change, sound off below. Do you like the videos where I don't talk through it and I do the voiceover? Or do you like me explaining as I go? Let me know, because that really makes a difference, because I want any video that I do to be as helpful as possible to you. So let me know which is best. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell join so you can hear every time I got a new video. Get them notifications right to your phone. I look so sweet and innocent with this little I look sweet and innocent. Sweet and innocent. I really be putting my lip gloss on like what the fuck, like any fucking thing, like what the fuck. It's never too much. Never too much. Like it's super glossy, super glossed up, 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 super glossed up. Thank you for watching. This has been Dizzy Slay. M-U-A. See you guys next time. Bye.